मैं ज़्यादा देर तक बैठ करके रोने वाला आदमी नहीं, कभी भी नहीं रहा। जब मैं 18.5 ईयर्स का था, जब मैंने गांव छोड़ा था अपने, तब से लेके आज तक मैं दुखी होता हूँ 5 घंटे के लिए। एंड द 7th hour I'm up, I'm again trying, again working hard to get where I want to get there. I always say one thing, you have to really know why you want to act or why you want to do certain things. You want to do it so that you can be rich. You want to do it because you can have a very big house. You want to do it because you can have big car and stay in a big hotel. Then I would say don't do it. You want to do it because you love doing it, then do it. So the journey has never been easy. Journey has been full of failures, but I wanted to just enjoy what I always wanted to do.
वेलकम टू मीर मीन्स बिजनेस। तो अलॉन्ग विद मीर साहब आज हमें ज्वाइन किया है एक बहुत ही स्पेशल गेस्ट ने, मल्टी टैलेंटेड मिस्टर मनोज बाजपेयी। हाउ आर यू सर?
Very well, very well.
Thank you so much for joining us today. Sir, could you please tell us about your experience, about your you're doing, आप बहुत सारी movies कर रहे हैं, हमने आपकी Netflix पे series देखी है, movies देखी है, तो could you please explain your experience?
Experience about what?
About your work, about आप enjoy
Experience is good. I always wanted to become an actor, so definitely the experience is what do you call the most special. I don't enjoy anything else but acting, and I try to give my best.
And when we look at your roles, जो आप काम करते हैं, एक तो उसमें जो रियल का एलिमेंट है, कईयों का लग रहा होता है कि एक्टिंग कर रहे हैं, आपका लग रहा है कि वाकई आप हैं वो शख्स जो आप रोल कर रहे होते हैं। तो जो रियलिटी का एलिमेंट है, ये हार्ड वर्क है, और स्पेशली हम नोट करते हैं कि जो सीरियस एक्टर यानी मुझे तो डर लगता है कि जब आपकी मूवी देखते हैं जिसमें आप कोई ऐसा वैसा कोई रोल कर रहे हो, स्पेशली कोई नेगेटिव, तो ये जो रियलिटी का एलिमेंट लेके आते हैं, आई थिंक देयर ओनली फ्यू गाइज इन द इंडस्ट्री दे डू इट। तो ये कैसे नेचुरली आप गुस्से वाले हैं या बिल्कुल डिफरेंट किस्म के?
मैं ट्रेंड एक्टर हूँ, मैं थिएटर किया हुआ आदमी हूँ। आप मुझे किसी तरीके का किरदार देंगे तो मैं उसको उसी तरह से निभाने की कोशिश करता हूँ। Also, I have worked a lot on my craft, my technique, and there is a life experience, right? I have met many people, good, bad, ugly, all kind of people. I have my own observation and experience about life. So you try to get all of that on screen through your technique, through your method, through the process.
And industry में आना, and obviously millions try. वो कहते हैं कि बॉलीवुड बिग स्टार बनना। Tell us about your struggle. Like, how was it easy for you? You have to go through so many hoops to get where you are.
मेरी जर्नी जो है ना, ये काफ़ी मशहूर है। कुछ भी मुझे इजी नहीं मिला है, लेकिन उस पर मैं ज़्यादा देर तक बैठ करके रोने वाला आदमी नहीं हूँ, कभी भी नहीं रहा। जब मैं 18.5 ईयर्स का था, जब मैंने गांव छोड़ा था अपना, तब से लेके आज तक मैं दुखी होता हूँ 5 घंटे के लिए। एंड द 7th hour I'm up, I'm again trying, I'm again working hard to get where I want to get there, right? So the journey has never been easy. Journey has been full of full of failures, full of thorns, but I wanted to just enjoy what I always wanted to do, and that is acting, right? Success and failure was just another stop. What I enjoyed the most in this journey was working on myself, preparing for the character, and giving everything to it.
And this is inspiring for the youth as well, especially aspiring actors and actresses, and generally in life. वो क्या 2-3 चीज़ें होंगी which you can summarize your whole life? Obviously, you're consistent, hard work, ये सारी चीज़ें उसमें ऐड हैं, लेकिन कोई आपके दिल में जो चीज़ हो कि ये 2 चीज़ें मैंने की तो इसकी वजह से मैं जहाँ पे आज हूँ, यहाँ पे पहुँचा।
Hard work and patience. I always say one thing, you have to really know why you want to act or why you want to do certain thing. You want to do it so that you can be rich. You want to do it because you can have a very big house. You want to do it because you can have a big car and stay in a big hotel, then I would say don't do it. You want to do it because you love doing it, then do it. Rest, everything will follow. So the first thing first, you should love what you want to do. And when you are doing what you want to do, don't care about when the success will come, why I am not succeeding, why I'm seeing only failure. Just enjoy what you're doing. Even if you're getting 1 rupee for that, just enjoy that. But if you enjoy and keep working hard, one day you'll be getting 1 million or 5 million. But first and foremost, just enjoy what you're doing.
I think this is amazing. The reason ये मैं बात कर रहा हूँ कि होता क्या है कि जिस तरह आपने कहा कि अगर पैसे को टारगेट बनाते हो, आप कोई काम कर रहे हो लेकिन वो आपके हार्ट के करीब नहीं है, सिर्फ पैसे के लिए कर ले और कभी ना कभी you'll get tired. लेकिन अपने पैशन को अगर अपना प्रोफेशन बना लो, I think that's what you're trying to communicate कि if you convert your passion into your profession, then तो यार क्रिकेट खेल रहे हो अपना एंजॉय कर रहे हो और उसमें प्रोसेस में आपको लगेगा भी नहीं और हार्ड वर्क करने के लिए भी आप तैयार हो.
Sir, I want to know about like one thing. What's your next target? Like I believe you have achieved a lot. जहाँ पे आपको पहुँचना था, जो भी सपने आपने देखे थे, you have achieved it already. What's next?
I'm just starting. What you
That's
I know.
interesting.
I'm just starting. Believe me, because you know, my love story with acting is unlimited. And unstoppable. I just love playing characters. I just love acting in front of the camera. And I don't know when this is going to stop. I really don't know. And it is very intense. This love story is very intense. I don't let anything come in between this.
Wow.
ये मेरी वैसी माशुका है कि जिससे बिछड़ने का डर हमेशा लगा रहता है.
और इसके लिए कुछ भी करने के लिए
कुछ भी
तैयार.
करने के लिए तैयार है.
Very nice.
सर, आपने कभी कंसीडर नहीं किया कि आपका खुद का प्रोडक्शन हाउस होना चाहिए या फिर
ये औरेगा आप इसमें देखेंगी और इसमें मेरी वाइफ का नाम भी देखेंगी और विक्रम खक्कर का नाम मेरे पार्टनर का. औरेगा स्टूडियोज. दिस इज आवर डेब्यू प्रोडक्शन दिस फिल्म.
Very nice. अब आपने अपने प्रोजेक्ट की बात की है तो जरा बताइए क्या
आपके कैरेक्टर के बारे में बताइए सर. भैया जी में
भैया जी अपने इलाके के बड़े रिस्पेक्टेड आदमी हैं.
ठीक है.
एंड ही यूज्ड टू बी a Robin Hood kind of a person, and he was a terror in his youth young days. But he promised his father that he will never go back to that life and take care of his stepbrother and stepmother. And he's somebody who takes care of the old people of the village. He takes care of everyone who's needy. Something happens in his life that he has to go back to his past, and which was not very good. Now Bhaiya ji has to come into his own to protect his family, to protect everyone, related to him.
इस तरह के जब आप रोल करते हैं, इट्स आई फील कि नेचुरल लगता है कि आप नेचुरली तो ये क्या कोई इस तरह का कोई एलिमेंट पहले से आपकी पर्सनालिटी में?
ये फैमिली मैन मेरी बहुत पॉपुलर सीरीज है इंटरनेशनली. अब उसमें तो ऐसा नहीं हो. मेरा काम है हर चीज़ को इस तरीके से निभाना ताकि लोग उससे रिलेट करें. इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर मी कि चाहे मैं फैमिली मैन करूं, चाहे जुबेदा करूं, चाहे मैं सत्या करूं जिसमें मैं माफिया हूं, या मैं भैया जी करूं. माई जॉब एज एन एक्टर इज टू मेक पीपल फील दैट इट्स रियल एंड दे शुड रिलेट टू इट. They should if they relate to the character, then it's a success. So my whole job is to work so hard that it becomes me. The character becomes me. Okay, so it's or I become the character. Let's put it this way. So that is why you feel that way. And at the end of the day, that's the success of an actor.
Very nice. और इसमें कोई स्पेशल एक सेगमेंट है जिसके लिए ये मूवी बनी है या इट्स द
देखिए
मैस?
There is a very strong emotional story. Yes, it's a mainstream action film. It is. There is a lot of action in this. But if your action is not supported by or backed by a very strong emotion, action will fall flat. Then it will only be a gimmickry or only be an acrobatic, practice. I always feel that if it is backed by a very strong emotion, then action becomes far bigger and far interesting and far more entertaining and far more believable action.
और मूवी ओवरऑल मैसेज क्या दे रही है ऑडियंसेस को?
Audience कुछ नहीं, just be close to your family, protect them however it is possible.
और फैमिली ऐसी चीज़ है समटाइम्स जब हम एम्बिशियस होते हैं, निकलते हैं घर से कुछ बड़ा करने के लिए, हमें ये रियलाइज़ नहीं होता कि सबसे बड़ी जो हमारे पास नेमत है, सबसे बड़ी पावर वो हमारी फैमिली है. So you're bringing back to that message to appreciate what you have.
Appreciate what you have, because if you lose them, then it troubles you too much. So just appreciate them, love them, be around them as much as possible.
So tell us about your favorite character, जो आपको ऐसा लगा है कि I really loved it and enjoyed it, and that's what I wanted.
I enjoy everything. I enjoy everything that I have done. Few of them are not good films, but I still enjoyed them.
The character.
Well, no, I still enjoyed making them, because, but in the end, it didn't turn out good, but that's another thing. But my 5-7 films were not good out of 100, but that's a good ratio that I have it. I know. But your favorite is my favorite. In this room, there are many people sitting here. Everyone's, favorite films will be different, right? But for me, all 100 of them are my children, right? And all of them, I have really given my blood and sweat in creating them. So there can't be one favorite.
सर इसके अलावा लाइक थिएटर, एक्टिंग, मूवीज, ड्रामा सीरीज के अलावा आपने कुछ और बिजनेस किया है, लाइक कभी बिजनेस किया है?
सभी लोग जानते हैं कि मैं थिएटर से आया हुआ हूँ और मैं और कोई बिजनेस नहीं करता हूँ. बाकी कुछ एक चीज़ें हैं उसके बारे में ऑडियंस को जानने का मतलब नहीं है, बिकॉज ऑडियंस नोज मी एज एन एक्टर.
ऑफ कोर्स.
बाकी सब चीज़ें बड़ी पर्सनल होती हैं, राइट?
ओवरऑल फिल्म इंडस्ट्री को अगर हम देखें, बॉलीवुड एंड स्पेशली रिसेंटली ये जो बिग प्रोडक्शंस हैं, साउथ ने बहुत ज़्यादा बज़ क्रिएट किया है. व्हाट डू यू थिंक हाउ इम्पोर्टेंट इट इज़ कि मूवी के साथ वो सारे 12 मसाले भी पूरे हों, लेकिन कोई ना कोई जो है वो मैसेज भी अंडरनीथ होना चाहिए. सो इस लिहाज से आप देख रहे हैं कि ओवरऑल मूवी की जो डायरेक्शन है, स्पेशली बॉलीवुड, इज इट गोइंग इन द राइट डायरेक्शन या कुछ इम्प्रूवमेंट्स हैं जो अभी भी मिलकर की जा सकती है?
देखिए, हिंदी सिनेमा हैज बीन वन ऑफ द लार्जेस्ट film industry, right? And it has given great films, great actors. It has inspired so many filmmakers, so many actors, editors, technicians all over the country and the world to come into films, right? And do really a good job. Now after pandemic, audience is taking time to go back to theater. And Hindi filmmakers are trying all the things possible to keep entertaining them and keep trying to get them to the theater. Many of the films have been successful in doing that. Some of the films were not successful in doing that. But I must tell you that it's just about time that Hindi cinema is going to get back to its natural form or the old form very soon, and that's my hunch.
So soon you're going to launch Mir Productions, so could you please tell Mr. Manoj Bajpayee about it?
So overall, जिस तरह आपने कहा कि आप अपने बैनर के अंदर कर रहे हैं, so हम दुबई में बैठे हुए हैं. Obviously we would like to know as well your experience in Dubai. दुबई में यहाँ जो चीज़ मुझे अच्छी लगी, 200 nationalities, वो सारे इस तरह मिल के रहते हैं जैसे they are family. And उसी की वजह से I feel कि then Dubai is Dubai, or business hub as well as entertainment hub. तो ideas ये हैं कि combine not only from the continent, from different countries, actors and actresses, top stars, and as well as Hollywood. So combine करके combined shows as well as combined productions, serials,
Right.
and movies. So that's the aim. I love it whenever, especially when we talk about India, Pakistan, when the people work together, they have produced some amazing work. And I've seen कि यहाँ पे एक ही कमरे में आप देखते हैं कि 5-5 बंदे कई दफ़ा रह रहे होते हैं, एक इंडियन, एक पाकिस्तानी, एक बांग्लादेशी, एक श्रीलंकन है, एक बना रहा है, बाकी खा रहे हैं. And there's a kind of love feeling. So that positive impact I am trying कि वो हम show करें in the showbiz as well as, and create some positivity. And I would love to get your advice on this as well.
Sure. All the best with your venture.
And overall, Dubai का आप बताएं, Dubai, do you visit often here and how you feel about it?
Not so often, but yes, I keep coming here once in a year. I come here only for a holiday, not for work. I like it. I like it for a few days. I shop here. I eat at different places.
And it's near whenever you want to visit.
It's
You can just
2 hours, 2.5 hours
Yeah.
from Bombay. So yeah, it's easy.
So, sir, you know Bollywood industry, film industry inside out. So, do you think कि ऐसी कोई चीज़ जो Bollywood में कुछ change करनी चाहिए या improve करनी चाहिए Bollywood industry में?
No, I mean, first of all, I don't call it Bollywood because I call it Hindi film industry. And I request everyone to call it Hindi film industry.
Okay.
Bollywood, someone has given it a name who didn't like the industry. But, who am I? I mean, and nobody should be thinking of changing in the industry. If you change
No, not about
yourself,
changing, like
if
improve.
you change yourself, if you stick to making good films, industry will keep improving, keep growing. It's very important that we are very, very sincere and honest to the work that we do, and we try to grow with every work of ours.
So you're like that character जिसके बारे में कोई हमने अफवाहें नहीं सुनी है कभी, like
जरूरी है क्या?
no, I'm just telling you,
Right.
like कोई controversial,
Yeah.
nothing, never. So like you take care of it, or you are just like
Naturally.
I'm that way, very spontaneous.
like paparazzi's captures. So
I know, because I don't call them.
Yeah.
I don't let them know where I am, right?
Okay.
This is a secret.
So I sit with my friends. I go out. I go out with my family. To shop, to in a restaurant. But it's just that I keep it very private. When I'm going to the airport, when I'm going traveling, when I'm eating in a restaurant, when I'm sitting with my friends, where I'm shooting, even my peers are not allowed to tell the media about it.
Okay.
Yes.
So you take care of it.
Yeah, I mean, because my film and my promotions, that's all. After Bhaiya Ji, I've already decided that I'm going to disappear for many months from the media.
You inspire millions. Obviously, celebrities उनको करोड़ों लोग देखते हैं, inspire होते हैं. Is there any personality, especially in Hindi cinema, which inspires you?
Yes, Mr. Nasruddin Shah, Mr. Amitabh Bachchan. These are the two people that we all should learn from. How hard they work, even at this age. How true they are to their work, and their public conduct. Is quite amazing. Everyone should learn from them.
Sir, your story, your journey, your hard work, these things inspires youth, millions. उनके लिए कोई special message?
मैं तो हमेशा कहता हूँ, जैसे अभी मैंने आपको कहा कि आजकल तो यूथ से आपको मैसेज लेना चाहिए क्योंकि उनके पास इतना इन्फॉर्मेशन है, इतना एक्सपोजर है. All I would say, stay true to yourself and work hard. Don't get carried away by the social media. The true meaning of any person and any professional only comes out when they experience the life.
Absolutely.
When they work very hard on what they want to do. if you are only drowned into your phone and iPad, you are missing out on life. You are missing. You know, it's very important that your child. Nowadays, children are always into the phone, but they are not looking out when they are traveling.
Yeah.
The experience is when they are seeing the field, they are seeing the desert, and they are seeing the road, the people outside. It's very important to experience life, because this is what will help them in living a life fully. Make friends. So if you are staying away from your phone and social media, you are making friends, you are living life, you are gaining experience. These are the things which are far more important.
It's been lovely. Thank you very much, and we really hope and all the audiences do come out. Movie लाजमी देखें, हम भी देखेंगे.
जी, जी.
और
भैया जी को आप सक्सेसफुल बनाइए.
सक्सेस
23rd को यूए में रिलीज होगा और इंडिया में और बाकी जगह पे 24th को. So both of you, please watch my film.
Of course.
And give
And
your
definitely, and thank you very much. It's been pleasure. The way you come across as humble, beautiful personality, we really love it, and I would love in future somehow in one of the projects if we can work together and create something new. Thank you very much.